Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update navigation transitions using React Native Reanimated. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have React Native Reanimated installed in your project. If you haven't, run the command npm install React Native Reanimated in your terminal. Once installed, import Reanimated in the file where you want to implement navigation transitions. Use the Create Stack Navigator from React Navigation/stack to create a stack navigation structure. Wrap your app with the navigation container from React Navigation/native. Define your stack navigator using the Create Stack Navigator function. Next, configure the screen options to include custom transition animations. Use the transition specs to define the timing and duration of your transitions. Create your custom animation by utilizing the animated module from React Native Reanimated. Make sure to declare the animation in your navigation options. You can set up fade, slide, or scale effects depending on your desired transition style. Once your transitions are defined, apply them to the screen components within your navigator. Make sure to test your transitions on both Android and iOS devices for consistency. Finally, refine the animation parameters until you are satisfied with the fluidity and responsiveness. Check your code for any potential errors and ensure proper import statements are present. Run your application and observe the new navigation transitions in action. Make adjustments as necessary based on your testing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.